Hey garage heads! Last fall, I replaced the rear calipers and rotors on my Acura TSX. But before installing them, I primed and painted them silver to keep them looking good instead of rusting like everything else in Ohio. Let's see how they look after 6 months of use, including an Ohio winter. Alright, well, you can see they look okay overall. There's a little bit of surface rust on the rotor, especially in the slotted areas. Not much I can do about that since I masked off the whole braking area. The calipers look good. I've got a little bit of corrosion on these bolts though. I probably messed up the paint when I tightened them down with a wrench. The lower one's a little worse. Now on the rotor here, the outer edge was painted, and you can see it's showing some light rust on some parts. There's a little on the inside here. I masked off the whole braking surface area, but it looks like the pads don't actually use that entire surface. So the very inner edge was bare metal. And it's like that all the way around. That might be why the outer edge is starting to rust where the paint meets the braking surface. Because there's bare steel exposed when the car is parked outside in the weather after driving in road salt. And that rust starts to creep and expand. But then the next time I drive the car, the pads clean off the braking surface. But the pads don't contact this outer beveled edge. Here's the passenger side. It's actually worse. Notice the center top hat areas look great on both sides though. Again, the caliper looks really good on this side as well. Let's compare the front. These calipers and rotors are at least 8 years old. These were never painted or anything. They're not looking good at all. But honestly, I've had calipers look a lot worse in less time than these have been on the car. The rotors are pretty crusty though. Next time the front pads get changed, these should be replaced. Good old Ohio right there. You West Coast viewers, never seen anything like that, huh? So, did cleaning, priming, and painting these parts work? I'm going to call this experiment a partial success. The calipers look great, and I think they'll be good for a long time. The rotors look a lot better than if I did nothing, but you can see the rust is starting at the edge of the braking surface. But this is Ohio, where road salt destroys everything. If I was out in sunny California, I'm sure they would look a lot better. So, yeah, I'd say it's worth it, especially if you have a nice set of wheels that shows off the brakes. I'll put a link to the painting video in the description so you can see how I did it. Thanks for watching, and consider subscribing for more how-to videos and project updates here at the 6th Gear Garage.